From deep earth to daily life, how coal, oil, and natural gas are extracted and used. Hello, I am Mark from Mentivia. Earlier, we've explored how fossil fuels form from ancient life under immense heat and pressure. Now, let's bring it all together and see how these incredible geological products, coal, oil, and natural gas, are extracted from the earth and harnessed to power our modern world, from the lights in our homes to the cars on our roads. Coal, as we know, is the solidified energy of ancient land plants. Millions of years ago, vast swamps were home to lush forests. When these plants died, they accumulated in oxygen-poor water, forming peat. Over eons, this peat was buried, compacted, and heated, slowly transforming into different ranks of coal, from lignite to anthracite. This is why coal is abundant in regions that were ancient swamps. Once formed, coal lies deep within the Earth's crust. Its extraction typically involves mining. Surface mining, or open-cast mining, removes overlying rock and soil to access shallow coal seams. For deeper deposits, underground mining techniques are used, where tunnels are dug to reach the coal. This allows us to bring this ancient energy to the surface. Oil and natural gas share a similar genesis, primarily from microscopic marine organisms like plankton and algae. These tiny creatures thrived in ancient shallow seas. Upon their death, their remains settled on the seabed, mixing with mud. Buried deep, subjected to specific ranges of heat and pressure, this organic matter transformed into kerogen and then into liquid crude oil within what geologists call the oil window. Petroleum reserves are often found in ancient seabeds. Once oil is formed and trapped in porous reservoir rocks beneath impermeable cap rock, it's ready for extraction. This is done through drilling. Oil rigs, both onshore and offshore, drill wells deep into the earth to reach these reservoirs. The crude oil is then pumped to the surface, where it begins its journey to refineries. Natural gas often forms alongside oil, or from the further thermal breakdown of oil and kerogen at even higher temperatures, known as the gas window. Being lighter, it often forms a gas cap above oil deposits or exists in its own separate reservoirs. It's a simpler hydrocarbon, but equally vital for our energy needs. Extracting natural gas also involves drilling wells into underground reservoirs. Sometimes it's extracted directly from gas fields, and other times it's a byproduct of oil extraction. Once brought to the surface, it's processed to remove impurities before being transported via pipelines to homes and industries. These three fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, are the bedrock of modern civilization. Coal is primarily used for electricity generation and industrial heat. Oil is refined into fuels for transportation, like petrol and diesel, and is a key ingredient for plastics and chemicals. Natural gas is used for heating homes, cooking, and generating electricity. They fuel virtually every aspect of our daily lives. The scale of extraction and consumption of these ancient resources is immense. While they have undeniably driven progress and prosperity, their use also comes with significant environmental challenges, including air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change. This global reliance highlights the need for careful management and a transition to sustainable alternatives. So, the next time you turn on a light or travel, remember the incredible journey of these fuels. From ancient life transformed by Earth's deep geological processes to the energy that powers our modern world. Understanding their origins helps us appreciate their value and the responsibility we have in managing this finite legacy as we look towards a more sustainable energy future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to visit mentivia.com, where you'll find a wide range of educational e-learnings, videos, and articles, all completely free. It's your go-to resource for deepening your understanding across science, history, and more. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more coming your way.